Okay, so here are my two equations. I have a negative x plus y equals negative 3, and then I have y equals negative x minus 9. Now you might say, well, that one's already in y equals. Shouldn't I just do substitution? Well, yeah, you could if you wanted to, but a lot of people don't like to do substitution. They like to use this addition or the elimination method, so that's the method that I'm going to show you how to do right now. The first thing we want to do is we want to make sure that this x right here is over here with this y. So let's do that. Do the opposite, move it over. And when I do that, I get x plus y is equal to negative 9. I didn't change the value of the equation. All I did was just flip it over, okay? So now my x and y are on the same side so that I can line it up underneath the other original equation that I have. So let's do that. So we have x plus y is equal to negative 9. Now when you look at these, once I've rearranged this bottom equation, look at what I have. I have my coefficients, you know, my little spirit ones that I love so much. When I look at my x's, look what happens. I have a negative 1x and a positive 1x. In the previous video, the y's canceled out, didn't they? In this video, the x's are canceling out. I'm trying to give you a variety so that you can see it's not always x and it's not always y. And then you add the y's together. 1 plus 1 makes 2. So that's 2y. And then you have a negative 3 plus a negative 9 gives you a negative 12. Okay? So you divide by 2 to get the y by itself, and you get y is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6, and the signs are different, so the answer is negative 6. So that wasn't too bad, right? Now that I know what my y value is, take it and plug it back in. Plug it into the original equation, okay? So let's do that. Let's see. That would be negative 6, and I'll write that in blue this time so that you can see the difference. Negative x minus 9. So I want to get the x by itself. So to get x by itself, what do? Take this 9, move it. Okay? I want to get it by itself. So do the opposite, which is addition. So that gives me negative 1x is equal to 9, and a negative 6 gives me positive 3. Is my x by itself? Not yet. It's so close. But you can't have a negative 1 in front of there, right? You need it to be a positive 1. So let's do this. Last step, divide by negative 1 so that my x becomes a positive x. So let's write our answer up here. X is equal to positive divided by a negative is a negative. So my answer is negative 3. So my ordered pair would be negative 3, comma, negative 6. Because remember, the x value is always written first. Think alphabetical order. X comes before y. All right? Okay, this is option 2. I'm going to give you several more. Okay, so come back so that I can show you more solving systems with addition or elimination. Okay?